Why did I choose Bedaya Program? Honestly, I think Bedaya chose me.
Bedaya Program chose me.
Bedaya chose me. This was honestly one of the best decisions I have ever taken in terms of my career.
The Bedaya Program exceeded my expectations.
The Bedaya Program put me in the real world.
So it's a 12-month introductory program where we like to involve our trainees in theoretical and practical work for them to better understand the banking dynamics.
Bedaya is challenging, but challenging in a good way.
Each and every Bedaya trainee can lead their own journey.
These programs prepared me for many different roles if I choose to pursue them. Some specific skills that I've developed through the Bedaya program are communication,
attention to detail.
It helped me to feel more confident.
I think that the Bedaya program is the perfect launchpad for anyone who wants to kickstart their career.
One advice I would give to future Bedaya trainees or active Bedaya trainees would be to always ask questions, because it only shows that you're challenging yourself and you're willing to learn, and this is one important quality that we look for in our Bedaya trainees.